I'm Keith Knowles, Managing Director at Centurus and Advisor. I'm here to talk about myths surrounding Microsoft Fabric. The number one myth I hear is, Fabric is expensive. When somebody tells me that Fabric is expensive, my first question is simple. Expensive compared to what? Because most of the time they are coming from one of two places. First, is they are making an apples to oranges comparison. People compare Power BI retail pricing to Fabric retail pricing and stop there. Second, they've read or heard stories about how expensive Fabric is in certain edge cases. Edge cases that just don't hold water when you look at the facts. Here's the reality. Fabric is much more than Power BI. Fabric is an enterprise data and AI platform. It includes Power BI, as well as data ingestion and transformation, OneLake storage, and AI, all of which leverage a shared pool of compute. Now let's talk pricing, because this is where buyers get tripped up. At retail or pay-as-you-go prices, a Fabric capacity is priced substantially higher than its comparable legacy Power BI P SKU. That comparison is real, but it is also incomplete. Microsoft offers reservations on Fabric capacities. Reservations provide a discount in exchange for an annual usage commitment. They have been a staple on many Azure cloud resources for years. A Fabric reservation offers about a 40% discount off pay-as-you-go prices. For most organizations, that's a normal buying motion. And with a reservation, a Fabric SKU is priced within a few dollars of a comparable P SKU. But the bigger point is this. Fabric changes the total cost model. If you're buying Fabric as your enterprise data platform, you can often consolidate items that you used to pay for separately. That includes ingestion, ETL, data warehousing, and a separate Power BI capacity. And think about this. Fabric capacities pricing doubles with each tier increase. So if architecture improvements let you downsize even one level, the savings can be significant. Here's a real-world example. We recently moved a large platform from an Azure SQL-based data warehouse with Power BI on the front end to Fabric Native. We saw about a 50% cost reduction, plus major improvements in processing time and better report performance. And finally, by using Direct Lake, we were able to drop a capacity tier, which is where the economics really changed. So is Fabric expensive? When used as an enterprise data platform, absolutely not. This myth is busted.